Hey folks, Victor Potential here, and today we got a Medeco M3 Camlock. Two, three, four. Go back this way. One, two. Okay. Okay. That was three. Where's that four? It's the back of the lock, so that's four. One, two. There's three. Okay, there's two. Then we're down to one. It's kind of a pain in the butt here in the front. Come on. Sidebar in here, we gotta push. Are you ready for that yet? Okay, the sidebar is in, and we don't want to rotate. Great. No, we're just bringing down the sidebar. Pretty sure I heard something drop down. What is it? When the sidebar is locked into the key pins, they should be very, very stiff. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Yeah. Come on. Okay, one is, as I said, maybe it's two. No. Three. Come on. Alright, what am I doing wrong? So sidebar's in. I think all my key pins are set. How does this work? I swear I got this open before. Let's go and touch some things. Oh, come on. No, it wasn't that one. So we did get a little click out of it. So pin 1 does depend about. There it goes. Yep, as pin 1 and the sidebar's a little funky. Alright. Took a little bit longer there at the end, but we got it open. And if I can navigate my LPU website right, this is a ground belt lock because it's the Medeco M3 Camlock. Yes, it has 4 pins, but there's no restriction on number of pins. If we wanted to get this, what we would do is we'd take a very small drift and drive those retaining pins out. Then we could pull the core out, but that's just a little bit too much work. I guess the neat thing about this lock is it has no drivers. So there's a sidebar here that has some, and instead of the normal Medeco sidebar with these fingers that slide into the key pins, it's actually a prong that needs to go into each key pin, and the key pins have false gate serrations on them. So, and they have the fore and aft cuts like a biaxial because it's a biaxial. So you can see this is fore, aft, it looks like, and center, left. So you have to lift and rotate and navigate the false gates and bump things around. And I think the issue I had was the sidebar is a little sticky, and that pin 1 right there is a little obnoxious with how high it is. You can see that right there. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. That took a few minutes, but it was worth it at the end. You guys have a good day.